Hello students, welcome to the fifth video of function class. Before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति 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 स्वस्थ. Today we are going to discuss some another types of functions, different form of standard function. Last class we are already discussed the function, greatest integer function, modulus function and exponential function. You know, greatest integer function f(x) is equal to square bracket x is called greatest integer function. Bracket x, whatever may be the value of x, bracket x is the largest integer but not greater than x. It should be less than or equal to x, but it is an integer. तेणु एक्सट्रा जहाँ नेले भी जेकोसी रियल वैल्यू पाई ब्रैकेट एक्स रो वैल्यूटा गोटे इंटीजर हम जो इंटीजरटा निज संख्याठार सेटा केबे भी बड़ हम ना. इट शुड बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू एक्स बट इट इज एन लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 2.73 रो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर वैल्यू इक्वल टू 2, 3.52 रो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर वैल्यू 3, -1.72 रो ब्रैकेट वैल्यू -2 एटसेट्रा लाइक दैट. ओके, एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन f of x is equal to a to the power x where a greater than 0 but not equal to 1 is called exponential function. So a to the power x is an steadily increasing for x belongs to r but a should be greater than 1. If a belongs to 0 to 1, then a to the power x, the graph of a to the power x is decreasing, strictly decreasing. So all are discussed in last class. Today we will discuss some properties of exponential function and other type of function. Okay, properties of exponential function. Here f(x) is equal to a to the power x where a greater than 0 but not equal to 1. f(x) equal to a to the power x where a greater than 0, a not equal to 1. Now f of x plus y. What is f of x plus y? So clearly it is a to the power x plus y, and you know a to the power x plus y means a to the power x into a to the power y, and this is equal to f of x into f of y. Next, f of x minus y equal to a to the power x minus y. A to the power x minus y equal to a to the power x by a to the power y, and this is f of x by f of y. f of x y, so f of x y equal to a to the power x y. A to the power x y, it can be expressed a to the power x to the power y, or you can express a to the power y, a to the power y to the power x. Okay, and this is f of x to the power y or f of y to the power x. Okay, so a to the power x y, this is f of a to the power x to the power y, or you can express a to the power y to the power x. Now a to the power 0 equal to 1, a to the power 0 equal to 1. So these are the properties of exponential function. Next we will discuss logarithm function. Logarithm function. So what is a logarithm function? Let f is a mapping r plus to r. What is r plus? R plus means a set of positive real number. So f is a mapping r plus to r defined by f of x, defined by f of x equal to log x base a. F of x equal to log x base a is called logarithm function. Logarithm function where a greater than 0 but a not equal to 1. Okay. So log x base a is called logarithm function. It can be defined as log x base a equal to log x by log a, or you can express also log x base e log a base e. So e is always silent, but you know log base e is log base e equal to log base e equal to ln. So this is ln x by ln a, because log base e is known as ln x, and this log base e is called natural logarithm, and log x base 10 is called common logarithm. Okay, this is known as a natural logarithm. If base is 10, then this is known as a common logarithm. So log x base a equal to log x by log a. Log x base a equal to log x by log a. Okay. So these are the logarithm function. Its value log x. Log x देखो ये आम बेसटा ई लिखिले हम न लिखिले भी हम ना कि. सो दिस इज so its value log x base e, okay, equal to positive log x base e. Its value is positive if x greater than 1. If x greater than 1, then log x is positive, and the value of log x is negative if x belongs to 0 to 1. Log this is 0 if x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, then log 1 base e equal to 0, and this is undefined log x base e undefined. Its value is never possible if x less than 0. Are you understand? Log x base e da लिखिले हम न लिखिले भी हम ना. It is not compulsory to write base e. Log x base e is known as log x. Okay. So log x is positive if x greater than 1. जब x वाला 1 to greater हम तो log x टा positive हम. X belongs to 0 to 1, then log x is negative, and if x is equal to 1, then log x equal to 0, and log x is undefined. Log x is undefined if x less than 0. Okay. जब x टा negative होची log x टा undefined हम. Okay. And this is infinite. This is infinite if x equal to 0. This is minus infinite. So log 0 base equal to infinite. Log 0 is minus infinite if x is equal to 0. Okay. So log x is defined. Log x is defined if x must be greater than 0. Log x is defined. Log x is defined if x must be greater than 0 and log x is undefined. Log x is undefined if x less than 0 and log 0 equal to minus infinite. Okay. Now, so the domain of log x must be set of positive real number. So extra positive है logarithm function define होगा. That's why the domain is the set of positive real number and range the value of log x positive or negative. That means the range is R, set of real number, but the domain of logarithm function is R plus. Okay, R plus. Now we write the domain of the logarithm function and the range of logarithm function. Okay. Now domain of log x base a log x base a is R plus. R plus means open interval 0 to infinite. Range of log x base a is R minus infinite to plus infinite. Now to express its graph of log x base a where a greater than 1. If a greater than 1, what is its graph? Let y is equal to log x base a. So log x base a equal to log x by log a. If a greater than 1, then log a is positive. For a greater than 1, log a is positive. So this is equal to log x base a is positive value if x greater than 1 and it is negative if x belongs to 0 to 1. देखो आमे बर्तमान log x base a रो ग्राफ ड्रा करिया जेतेबेले a डा कोन हो 1 टू ग्रेटर हो तो a डा जेतेबेले 1 टू ग्रेटर हो log a डा कोन होती पॉजिटिव हो तो डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट टा पॉजिटिव होला log x टा पॉजिटिव होले log x base a डा पॉजिटिव हो log x टा नेगेटिव होले log x base a डा नेगेटिव हो. Are you understand? If x greater than 1, then log x is positive. If x belongs to 0 to 1, then log x is negative. And a logarithm function is always a strictly increasing function. Logarithm function da gote increase hobo x ro value greater hel bodi gale log ro value kon hobo tar automatically bodi jibo. So log x is an strictly increasing. Okay. Why? Now we draw the graph. So this is coordinate axis x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash. Here this is 1, and if x equal to 1, then log 1, तो log 1 is 0. This is 0. देखो 1 पाखे जो आम एक्सट्रा 1 पकेबा log x रो भैल्यूटा कौन हम 0 हम 0 to 1 भितर 0 टू एक्स रहा जो 0 टू 1 भितर ना लॉग एक्स रहा कौन हो नेगेटिव तो नेगेटिव हेल्ले वाई रहा जेहतु नेगेटिव आइब तो ग्राफटा कौन हम नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन लॉग 0 हूँ इनफिनिट माइनस इनफिनिट 0 पाखे आम इनफिनिट हम लॉग भैल्यूटा इनक्रीज द भैल्यू ऑफ लॉग एक्स इज इनक्रीजेस ना नहीं तेणु 0 टू 1 भितर लॉग भैल्यू नेगेटिव माने ग्राफटा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन जिते एक्स भैल्यू 1 रु ग्रेटर हम लॉग एक्स भैल्यू पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव हेल्ले वाई भैल्यूटा पॉजिटिव माने अपर साइड फास्ट क्वाड्रेंट ना कि इट्स ग्राफ इज like that in this way but here like that. So the graph of the logarithm function like in this way because in 0 to 1 its value is negative log 0 is minus infinite log 0 is minus infinite in the ratio okay minus infinite minus infinite this is y o y dash so this is the graph of log x base a where a greater than 1 thank you 1 to greater than x रो value 1 to बड़ हम log x रो value पॉजिटिव माने फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट value रहइबो आ ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज हेबो किंतु 0 to 1 भितर ग्राफडा y रो value नेगेटिव हबो एडोतिर भी सो 0 to infinite in 0 to infinite clearly the graph is strictly increases जो एक्स भैल्यू बढ़ी बढ़ी जाऊँगी लॉग एक्स भैल्यू भी बढ़ी बढ़ी जाऊँगी ग्रेटर होगी ना कि सो क्लीयरली लॉग एक्स बेस इज स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग फॉर ए ग्रेटर देन 1 ओके दिस द ग्राफ ऑफ logarithm function now graph of next we draw the graph of log x base a where a less than 1 greater than 0 okay so in such case log x base a means log x by log a for a less than 1 log a is negative जो 0 to 1 भीतर रहिबो for a less than 1 greater than 0 log a is negative यार वैल्यू नेगेटिव हम तो log x base a means log x by log a डिनोमिनेटर पार्टा नेगेटिव हम तो डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव हेल्ले यहाँ जिते नेगेटिव हम लॉग एक्स बेस यहाँ कौन हम पॉजिटिव हम सो दिस इज इफ एक्स ग्रेटर देन 1 इफ एक्स ग्रेटर देन 1 देन लॉग एक्स इज नेगेटिव बट इट इज नेगेटिव सॉरी इफ एक्स ग्रेटर देन 1 लॉग एक्स इज पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर कौन अच्छी नेगेटिव अच्छी तो पॉजिटिव बाय नेगेटिव कौन हम नेगेटिव तो पॉजिटिव बाय नेगेटिव कौन होची नेगेटिव है तार तो log x बेस एटा नेगेटिव हम फॉर x ग्रेटर देन 1 जो x रो वैल्यूटा इफ x बिलोंग्स टू 0 to 1 देन द log x इज नेगेटिव एटा कौन होची नेगेटिव बाय नेगेटिव कौन होची पॉजिटिव हम सो एटी कौन हम 1 टू ग्रेटर हेले 1 टू जो x रो वैल्यू 1 टू ग्रेटर हम log x वैल्यू नेगेटिव हम एक्स वैल्यू जो 0 to 1 भितर रो log x पॉजिटिव तार तो 0 to 1 भितर y वैल्यू पॉजिटिव अच्छी माने आमर ग्राफरा फास्ट क्वाड्रेंट पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन एमती भितर जो एक्स वैल्यू 1 टू ग्रेटर हम वाईटा न हो कौन हो वाईट वैल्यू नेगेटिव हो नेगेटिव मैंने नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन एमती सो दिस इज ग्राफ ऑफ log x बेस a this is graph of this is y axis like that and this graph is in this way okay so this is y o y dash so y is equal to log x base a where a less than 1 greater than 0 कहीं 0 to 1 भितर 0 to 1 भितर आमर log x वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हम पॉजिटिव माने अपर साइड रहा कि आ 1 टू ग्रेटर हेल्ले log x वैल्यू नेगेटिव हम y वैल्यू नेगेटिव माने एमती आसो So clearly this function, the graph of the function is decreases because the value of y decreases whereas x increases. किंतु जो एक्सट्रा नेगेटिव हम फंक्शन अनडिफाइंड हम तेणु नेगेटिव पार्ट रे आम ग्राफटा किसी आसबनी केवल एक्स रो टू इनफिनिट भितर ग्राफटा पॉजिबल हम. ओके सो लॉग एक्स बेस ए इज डिक्रीजिंग इज स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग फॉर ए बिलोंग्स टू 0 to 1. ओके this is the graph of logarithm function. Now so log x base a is strictly increasing for all x belongs to 0 to infinite and a greater than 1. That's why log x base a is greater than log y base a, double implied x greater than y. If x greater than y, then log x greater than log y. Okay. Number 2, log x base a is strictly decreasing for all x belongs to 0 to infinite and a belongs to 0 to 1. जो a रो value टा 1 रू less हम से log x टा decrease हम. So log x base a greater than log y double implied x less than y. ना नहीं जो x रो value टा बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो x रो value टा बढ़ी बढ़ी गले logarithm function रो value कौन होची सेठी कमी कमी जीवो ना नहीं. Like that log 1 होची 0, log e base e means log e by log e because log x base a equal to log x by log a. That's why log e means log base e equal to ln. तो ln e by ln e, तो ln e cancel और log e cancel. This is equal to 1. Log 0 is minus infinite. Log of negative is undefined. So log is defined only for positive value. What are the properties? If fx equal to log x base a, this is the logarithm function. Now f of x plus y. So f of x into y. So f of x into y means log x into y, and log x into y means this is log x plus log y. This is base a. Okay, because log x into y means log x plus log y. This is the property of a logarithm function, and this is known as f of x plus f of y. Where x and y are positive, because if x y is negative, then log of negative is undefined. So its value is possible. X and y must be positive. Okay. Now f of x by y. F of x by y equal to log of x by y. Log of x by y equal to log x minus log y. The base is a, and this is known as f of x minus f of y. Now f of x to the power y. So log x to the power y, your base is a. Now log x to the power y equal to y into log x, base a, and this is equal to y into f of x. So log x to the power y equal to y log x base a. Log x by y equal to log x minus log y. Log x into y means log x plus log y. Okay. In generally log x1 into x2 into x3 dot xn. So this is log of x1 log x2 plus dot log xn. Okay. So your base is e, base e. Base टा किसी ना सब e रहिबो, तेणु e टा लेखिले हम न लेखिले भी चलिबो. So e is always silent. Okay. Now this is the properties of logarithm function and the graph of the logarithm function. So domain of the logarithm function is r plus and range is r. Okay. Now next we will discuss another function, square function. A function f is a mapping r to r defined by f of x equal to x square. A function f is a mapping r to r defined by f of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square is called square function. Square function. Okay. So how to draw the graph of a square function? Graph of f of x equal to x square. Let y equal to f of x equal to x square. So how to draw y equal to x square graph? Now we take some point x and y. Suppose we take x is equal to 0, then y equal to 0. If we put x equal to 1, then y equal to 1. If we put x equal to 2, then y equal to 4. Extra 3, then y equal to 9. If we put x equal to 4, then y equal to 16. If we put x equal to minus 1, then y equal to 1. Minus 2 substitute कले 4 आसियो, minus 3 substitute कले 9 आसियो, नहीं कि like that minus 4 सुधी हमें substitute करिबा you will get 16. So right side value, left side value, the value of y are equal. So the graph of the function like that. Here x o x dash and this is y o y dash. Yeah, this is 1 and this is 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. If we put x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. तो extra 1 ले y रो value केते आसबो 1 आसबो 2 पकले 4 आसी नहीं कि 3 ले 9 आसबो. So the value of y is increases as compared to x. माने x रो value जो rate रे increase होउची y रो value ताडो अधिक rate रे increase होउची नहीं कि. So minus 1 पकले 1, minus 2 पकले 4, minus 3 पकले 9, 8 by 3 पकले 9 आसियो. So the graph of the function in this way, it is a parabolic path. So the left side, right side graph da symmetric, it is a symmetric about y axis. So this is graph of y equal to x square. Okay. And this is a parabolic path. Y equal to x square is a parabolic path symmetric about y axis. Okay. Symmetric about y axis and it open to the upward. So this is the upward parabola. Upward parabola y equal to x square. So the domain of the square function is a set of real number and range must be set of positive real number because the value of y never be negative or whatever may be the value of x. Extra तुम जहाँ नौ नियो y रो value सब बड़े positive आउसी तेनु range दा ए function पाई कौन होबो r plus होबो 0 भी हे पारिबो नहीं कि. So domain of y equal to x square is r and range of the function range of y equal to x square is r plus union 0 and this is close interval 0 to infinite. Close interval 0 to infinite. Okay. Now cube function. Cube function. A function f is mapping from r to r defined by fx equal to x cube is called cube function. Okay. Now what is its graph? देखो यार ग्राफ ने ड्रॉ करिया गले हमू नेबा पड़ियो x and y. If we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, extra 1 substitute कले y equal to 1, 2 substitute कले 8 आसीबो, 3 substitute कले 64 आसीबो नहीं कि सॉरी 3 substitute कले आसीबो हमरो 27, 4 substitute कले 64, minus 1 substitute कले minus 1 आसीबो, minus 2 substitute कले minus 8 आसीबो, minus 3 substitute कले minus 27 आसीबो in this way. So the graph of the function here Here x is positive, y is also positive. If x is negative and y is also negative. But in such case, square root function, if x is positive, y is positive. Extra negative y टा positive आसुला ना नहीं किंतु एडी extra positive y टा positive आसुची extra negative y टा negative. So the graph lies in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. देखो 0 पकड़ले 0 आसी 1 नले 1 हबो 2 पकड़ले 8 आसीबो 3 पकड़ले 27 -1 पकड़ले -1 -2 पकड़ले -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करले -8 -3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करले -27. ओके सो इट इज सिमेट्रिक अबाउट टू ऑपोजिट क्वाड्रेंट. राइट साइड जेमदी आसीबो ग्राफटा एमदी ग्राफ आसीबो ना एडी एमदी आसीबो ना कि. सो द ग्राफ ऑफ like that. So this is y is equal to x cube, the graph y equal to x cube. कहीं x रो वैल्यूटा बढ़ी बढ़ी गले y रो वैल्यू 1 पकड़ले 1 2 पकड़ले 8 आसी 3 पकड़ले 27 सिंध -1 पकड़ले -1 -2 पकड़ले -8 -3 पकड़ले -27 एम दी आसीबो नहीं कि. So the graph of y equal to x cube like that. Okay, it is symmetric about opposite quadrant, but it is symmetric about first part, symmetric about y axis, symmetric about y axis, y equal to x square. And the domain of the cubic function is r and the range is also r. Next, square root function. Square root function. Okay, so domain of x cube equal to r and range of x cube equal to r. Okay, a function f is a mapping r close to r defined by fx equal to root over x plus square root x is called square root function. Okay, so fx equal to plus root x is called square root function. And you know fx is defined, means square root x is defined for x must be greater than or equal to 0. So domain of a square root function, domain of square root function is close interval 0 to infinite, because square root x is defined, square root x is defined if x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and the range of square root x is also close interval 0 to infinite, because square root x is always positive, we take its positive value. The range of square root x is close interval 0 to infinite. Now the graph of square root x, let y equal to square root x. If we put x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. So extra 1 ले y root 1, so root 1 equal to 1. If we put x equal to 2, then y equal to root 2. Root 2 means 1.414. If we put x equal to 3, then root 3 its value 1.732. If we put x equal to 4, then y equal to 2, like that. So as compared to x and y, the extra जो रेट रे बढ़ी जीव y रो भेला तार रेट कौन होची स्लाइड बढ़ुची नहीं कि. So the graph of the function in this way, not in this way, the graph of the function like that. Okay, कहीं एक्सट्रा जो रेट बढ़ुची वाईटा कौन से रेट से बढ़ुनी तार कम बढ़ुची. ये 1 ने 1 आसला 2 ने 1 पॉइंट आसे 3 ने 1.7 आसे. सो द ग्राफ ऑफ द फंक्शन लाइक दैट एम दे आसो. सो दिस इज नोन एज स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन. दिस इज एक्स ओ एक्स डैश एंड दिस इज नोन एज वाई ओ वाई डैश. ओके, नाउ रेसिप्रोकल फंक्शन. Reciprocal function. So reciprocal function means a function f is a mapping from r minus 0 2 r minus 0, domain and codomain must be set of real number except 0. R minus 0 to r minus 0 defined by f of x equal to 1 by x, f of x equal to 1 by x, where x not equal to 0 is called reciprocal function. So which one is reciprocal function? 1 by x, 2 by x, 3 by x, these are known as reciprocal function. Here x not equal to 0. Okay. So what is the graph? देखो, if we put x is equal to 0, then y 1 by 0 is infinite. Now graph of fx equal to 1 by x. Let y equal to 1 by x. Now we take some point. If we put x equal to 0, तो y is infinite. देखो एक्स्ट्रा 0 पकेले y रो कौन अच्छी भेला अनडिफाइंड हो एक्स्ट्रा जो आम 1 नेबा y 1 हम 2 पकेले 1 by 2 आसो 3 नेले 1 by 3 4 पकेले 1 by 4 तो 1 by 2 होची 0.5 1 by 3 1 by 3 means 0.3 1 by 4 means 0.25 बेला और कमी कमी जाउची ना नहीं 5 पके बोले 1 by 5 so 1 by 5 नहीं कि तो 0.2 ओके सो -1 ले -1 -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर ले -1 by 2 अच्छा -3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर ले -1 by 3 तो if x is positive then y is positive, if x is negative then y is also negative, so the graph lies in first quadrant and third quadrant. x टा positive y टा positive होची x टा negative y टा negative होची तो ग्राफ टा को क्वाड्रेंट रहबो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रहबो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट रहबो नहीं कि अच्छा so the its graph like that, the graph of as x tends to infinite y tends to 0 for y equal to 1 by x, as x tends to infinite y tends to 0, as x tends to minus infinite also y tends to 0, x tends to minus infinite also y tends to 0. Okay, and the graph of the function square root function is square root function graph. Now we draw this is the coordinate axis xo x dash and this is known as yo y dash. So it lies in first quadrant and third quadrant. देखो जतलो एक्स्ट्रा 0 हबो y टा इनफिनिट हबो एक्स्ट्रा 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करले y टा 1 हबो 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करले 1 by 2 0.5 हबो 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करले 0.3 कमिबो 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करले 0.25 और कमिबो 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट करले 0.2 और कमिबो नहीं कि so graph like in this way, so the graph of the function like that here also because this is the symmetric about in the opposite quadrant. So here y is equal to 1 by x, this is the reciprocal function graph and this is known as y equal to x line. Okay, now the graph of we draw another graph that is the reciprocal function of y equal to 1 by x square. Now the graph of we draw the graph of y equal to 1 by x square. Okay, देखो graph of y equal to 1 by x square. Here if we substitute x equal to 0, x equal to 0 then y is infinite. If we put x equal to 1 then y 1 by 2 2 substitute कले 1 by 4 आसियो नहीं कि 2 substitute कले 1 by 4 3 substitute कले तो आम 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करवा तो 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1/9 1/9 है। अच्छा ये -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले माइनस सब्स्टिट्यूट कले सो -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1 ये 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1 आस ना। ओके तो -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1 -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1/4 -3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1/9 तो एक्स्ट्रा पॉजिटिव नेले वाईटा पॉजिटिव आसियो एक्स्ट्रा नेगेटिव नेले भी वाईटा भी पॉजिटिव आसियो। सो द ग्राफ लाइज इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एंड सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एंड सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट। ओके एज x टेंड्स टू इनफिनिट y टेंड्स टू 0 एज x टेंड्स टू 0 then y tends to infinite as x tends to infinite x टा infinite पकड़ले y tends to 0 so as x tends to minus infinite also x tends to plus or minus infinite y tends to 0 so the graph lies in first quadrant and the second quadrant नहीं कि first and second quadrant value रहिबो so तो यार ग्राफ देख तो 0 हूँ इनफिनिट है तो 0 पाखे इनफिनिट 1 पाखे 1 आसियो 2 पाखे 1/4 आसियो 1/4 0.25 एटा हूँ 0.3 नहीं कि अच्छा so the graph of the function like that here x so x dash and this is also y o y dash तो 0 पाखे इनफिनिट आउची एक्स्ट्रा जो बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो y रे भेला भी कमी कमी जीवो नहीं कि एक्स्ट्रा 0 नले y इनफिनिट होची एक्स्ट्रा 1 नले y टा 1 होची 2 पकले 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1/4 आसी आउट कमीबो आ 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 1/9 आउरी वैल्यू कमीबो 4 पकले 1/16 आउरी वैल्यू कमीबो सो द ग्राफ ऑफ द फंक्शन लाइक दैट इन दिस वे एटा 0 इनफिनिट पॉइंट रे टच करियो इनफिनिट पॉइंट टच करियो तो टच करियोनी केबे भी नहीं कि एम द ग्राफ आसियो एम द ग्राफ आसियो सो इट इज सिमेट्रिक अबाउट टू y एक्सिस कहीं ए पर साइड जेम देबो ए पर भी सेम देबो एक्स्ट्रा माइनस नले y टा भी पॉजिटिव आसियो ना सो द ग्राफ ऑफ द फंक्शन लाइक दैट ओके so this is the symmetric about y axis symmetric about y axis here the graph of y equal to x square this is the graph of y equal to x square okay so its domain is a set of real number minus 0 and range is also set of real number minus 0 because y never be 0 so domain of the reciprocal function 1 by x or 1 by x square domain of 1 by x r minus 0 and range of the function 1 by x equal to also r minus 0 but a domain of 1 by x square this is also r minus 0 and range it never be negative nahi it never be negative range of function 1 by x square r plus minus 0 r plus minus 0 that is a set of positive real number okay now this is the reciprocal of 1 by x a reciprocal function and this is the reciprocal of function 1 by x square graph next another function that is the odd function and the even function trigonometric function you know trigonometric function in a trigonometrical chapter trigonometric ratio so a function fx equal to sin x cos x tan x cot x sec x and cosec x are called trigonometric function okay now what is domain and range of the trigonometric function you are already know domain and range of the trigonometric function till we write this the domain and range of the function. So function and this is the domain and this is known as a range of the function. If we take the domain, the function is sin x, you know the domain of sin x is a set of real number and the range is a closed interval minus 1 to 1 because its maximum value is 1 and minimum value is minus 1. If we take the function is cos x, in domain is r and range is also closed interval minus 1 to 1. Okay. Tan x, you know tan x means sin x by cos x and tan x is impossible if sin x equal to 0. So sin x 0 means x is equal to n pi. So domain of tan x r minus n pi where n belongs to z set. So r minus set of n pi where n belongs to z set. N belongs to z set. Okay. And its range is minus infinite to infinite. Range is minus infinite to infinite. Cot x. If we take a function is cot x, you know cot x means cos x by cot x means sin x by cos x. So cot x is impossible if cos x is 0. So cos x equal to 0 means x equal to odd multiple of 90. So r minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z set. This is the domain of cot x and range is also minus infinite to plus infinite. Sec x. Sec x is the reciprocal of cos x. Okay, so sec x equal to 1 by cos x and sec x is impossible if cos x equal to 0. So this is also r minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z set. N belongs to z set. Okay. And the domain of sec x is minus infinite to minus 1 union 1 to infinite. Because this is the reciprocal of cos x. You know the value of cos x lies in between closed interval minus 1 to 1. So the value of sec x, it should be less than or equal to minus 1 or greater than or equal to plus 1. Minus 1 किंबा minus 1 to less होइतिबो 1 किंबा 1 to greater होइतिबो नहीं कि. And cosec x. Cosec x means 1 by sin x. It is impossible if sin x is 0. So this is also r minus set of n pi where n belongs to z set and its range is also minus infinite to minus 1 union closed interval 1 to infinite. But how to draw the trigonometrical function, the graph of a trigonometrical function? Okay. Now we draw the graph of a trigonometric function one by one. First we draw the graph of sin x. Take y equal to sin x. Okay, first we draw the table. If we put x equal to 0, then sin 0 equal to 0. Sin pi by 2 1, sin 180 0, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1 2 pi 0, sin minus pi by 2 minus 1, sin minus pi 0, sin minus 3 pi by 2 1 and sin 2 pi 0. Okay. So you know in the first quadrant the value of sin is positive. So we draw the graph. This is coordinate axis and here x o x dash and this is y o y dash. In x axis we take its value of degree and y axis we take the value. This is 1 and this is minus 1. Here this is pi by 2, this is pi and this is 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi and this is minus pi by 2 minus pi and this is minus 3 pi by 2 and this is minus 2 pi. So sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 1, 1 sin pi 0 sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1 2 pi 0 sin minus pi by 2 minus 1 sin pi minus pi 0 sin minus 3 pi by 2 plus 1 sin 2 pi 0. In first quadrant the value of sine is positive, so the graph lies in the above in the positive direction of y axis. In second quadrant is also sine is positive, so it is the positive direction of y axis, but in third quadrant fourth quadrant the sine is negative, so the graph towards the negative direction of y axis. In first quadrant the value of sine increases, in second quadrant the value of sine decreases, in third quadrant also the value of sine decreases, but in fourth quadrant the value of sine increases. So the graph is like that in this way. देखो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे साइन टा पॉजिटिव, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट रे साइन टा भेला पॉजिटिव, तेनु ग्राफ टा इन द पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाई एक्सिस रे रहइबो. अब फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे साइन टा भेला इंक्रीज होउची, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट रे डिक्रीज होउची, तेनु 0 टू पाई बाय 2 भितर इंक्रीज होला तापर कमिबो. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट रे ग्राफ टा कोन होची साइन टा नेगेटिव, सो नेगेटिव मीन्स इट इज द negative means this is equal to it is okay. So in third quadrant the value of sine decreases, that means graph below to the y axis, तो ग्राफ हमरो डिक्रीज होची पहला कमी कमी जीवो. देन थर्ड टू फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रे साइन पहला इंक्रीज होबो, बट इट्स वैल्यू इज नेगेटिव लाइक दैट. ओके, so here is also minus pi by 2 to 0, this is also in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant the value of sine decreases, but its value increases, gradually increases. Here this is 0 like that in this way. Okay, so clearly this is the graph of sin x. The graph of sin x, its maximum value is plus 1 and its minimum value is minus 1. Like that. Number 2, y equal to cos x. Y equal to cos x, you know x and this is y. If we put x equal to 0, then y is cos 0 equal 1 pi by 2, this cos pi by 2 is 0, 3 pi by 2, sorry pi, cos pi minus 1 and 3 pi by 2 0, 2 pi 1. Here minus pi by 2, cos of minus pi by 2 0, because cos of minus pi by 2 is cos pi by 2, cos of minus pi equal to 1, so this cos of minus pi is minus 1, because cos pi equal to cos of minus pi, cos of minus pi cos pi, so cos pi is minus 1, minus 3 pi by 2 0, then minus 2 pi, minus 2 pi, 2 pi is 1, because cos of minus 2 pi is also cos 2 pi, this value is 1. In first quadrant and second quadrant, in first quadrant using As rule the value of cos x is positive, but in the second quadrant, third quadrant the value of cos x is negative, in fourth quadrant the value of cos x is positive. Okay, so first quadrant रे ग्राफ टा पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस रहइबो, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट आउ थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट रे ग्राफ टा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस रहइबो, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रे ग्राफ टा पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस हबो. You know in first quadrant the value of cos decreases, in second quadrant also cos decreases, but third quadrant and fourth quadrant the value of cos x increases, the value of cos x increases. Okay, so this is pi by 2 and this is pi, 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi. Here also this is a minus pi by 2 and a minus pi, and this is a minus 3 pi by 2 and this is a minus 2 pi. Okay, this is the anti-clockwise direction, this is the clockwise direction. Here cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, 3 to pi by 2 0, cos pi minus 1, 3 pi by 2 0, 2 pi is 1. And first quadrant cos is positive, first quadrant cos रहला पॉजिटिव, तेणु ग्राफ टा कौन हो अपर डायरेक्शन रहिबो, y रा पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन रहिबो नै कि. इन सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट द वैल्यू ऑफ cos decreases, its value is negative, in third quadrant is also negative. So the graph is like that and the graph is like that. But in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant, the value of cos x increases. The value of cos x increases like that. The graph is in this way. Okay. And this is also minus pi by 2 to 0. Minus pi by 2 to 0 lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the value of cos x increases. Okay. So like that, this one, and this is the minus 1, minus 3 pi by 2, this is the 2 pi, the graph of the function in this way. Okay. देखो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे cos वेला जेतु पॉजिटिव होची तेनो अपर डायरेक्शन रहइबो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट रे cos टा नेगेटिव यूजिंग एसटी रूल तेनो ग्राफ टा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस रहइला फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रे cos वेला पॉजिटिव तेनो इमदी रहइला फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे द ग्राफ ऑफ द cos x decreases in second quadrant is also decreases. But in the third and fourth quadrant, the value of cos x increases, the graph is like that. So it is symmetric about the y-axis, which is the first quadrant and the second quadrant. Next, we draw the graph of 10x. Graph of 10x. Now the graph of 10x. Okay. First, we draw the table. Here 10 0 is 0, 10 pi by 2 is undefined, 10 pi is 0, 3 pi by 2 is undefined, 2 pi is also 0. But you know in first quadrant the value of 10 is positive, in second quadrant 10 is also negative, in third quadrant 10 is positive and fourth quadrant 10 is negative. First quadrant and third quadrant the value of 10 positive. And second quadrant, fourth quadrant, the value of 10 negative. So first and third quadrant, the graph of the 10 in the positive direction of y-axis, but in second quadrant and fourth quadrant, the graph towards the negative direction of y-axis. Okay, and you know the table value of trigonometrical value of the function. The 10x is always increases. The value of 10 is always increases. That's why in first quadrant this is the 0 to pi by 2. 0 to this is the 0 and this is known as pi by 2 and this is pi. This is the pi, this is the 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi. In first quadrant the value of 10 increases. Our 10 will be positive but 10 0 is infinite. So the graph is like that. In second quadrant, the value of 10 negative. The value of 10 negative. So the graph towards the negative direction of y-axis. But 10 pi by 2 is infinite. So the graph of the function is like that. So here the graph towards the negative direction. In third quadrant, the value of 10 positive. So the graph like that. And its fourth quadrant is also again its value is decreases. So the graph is like that. So towards the negative direction of y-axis in this way. This is also in minus pi by 2 to 0 fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant the value of 10 decreases. Sorry, the value of 10 negative. So the graph lies in the negative direction of y-axis and value of 10 is increases. So this graph is like that in this way. Okay. Minus pi 2 minus 3 pi minus pi by 2. This is the third quadrant. In third quadrant the value of 10 is positive. So value is positive. So the graph is like that in this way. The graph is in this way. And this is minus 3 pi by 2. Minus 3 pi by 2. So minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi. Minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi. This is the third quadrant. Nagi, it is fourth quadrant, it is third quadrant, it is second quadrant. Minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi. This is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, the value of 10 is negative. like that the graph in the negative direction of y-axis in this way. Okay, and minus 2 pi to minus 3 pi by 2 is the first quadrant. In first quadrant the value of 10 positive direction, and the graph is increases, is strictly increases. So its graph is like that. Graph is 10 pi by 2 0 like that. Okay, this is the graph of 10x. The graph of 10x. Okay, this is the graph of 10x. Graph of 10x. 10x. Next we draw the graph of cot x. The graph of cot x. Now the graph of cot x. Okay, you know cot 0 is infinite, cot pi by 2 0, cot pi is also undefined, cot 3 pi by 2 0, cot 2 pi is undefined. Okay, in negative direction is also there. You know cot x is since 10x is always increasing function, so cot x is the reciprocal of 10x, so cot x is always decreasing function. Okay, but in the first quadrant the value of cot in first quadrant and third quadrant cot is positive due to Ashte's rule. In second quadrant and fourth quadrant the value of cot is negative. So first quadrant and first quadrant and third quadrant cot value जेहेतु पॉजिटिव तेणु ग्राफ एटा पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस रहइबो. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट आउ फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रे तमरो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस ग्राफ रहइबो. आउ cot x रे ग्राफटा जेहेतु डिक्रीजिंग होची, स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, अच्छा, सो डिक्रीजिंग मीन्स cot 0 होची इनफिनाइट, cot pi by 2 होची 0. सो ग्राफटा एमदी आसीबो एंड कमी 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 आसीबो. ओके, सो cot pi by 2 रे 0 आसीबो. देन पुणे सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट रे cot रो वैल्यू कोन होची नेगेटिव रोची. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट रे cot टा नेगेटिव. सो द ग्राफ लाइक दैट इन दिस वे कमिबो नै कि नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस. देन pi to 3 pi by 2 it lies in third quadrant. The value of third quadrant in third quadrant cot is the value of cot is positive. Positive माने एटा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रहइबो, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रहइबो. ओके, एंड द ग्राफ इज डिक्रीजेस. The graph is decrease होची. So the like that the graph is in this way. In this way, graph is in this way. Cot 3 pi by 2 is 0. Okay, so this is 0. Then again 2 pi. तो 2 pi रे कौन होची फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रे cot रो वैल्यू ला नेगेटिव होची. So नेगेटिव ले एमदी आसीयो 2 pi हला 2 pi like that. So this is the graph of the function of cot x like that. In minus pi by 2 to 0 it is also in first quadrant, sorry in the fourth quadrant रे cot टा कौन होची नेगेटिव. तो ग्राफ टा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस रहइबो, यार वैल्यू डिक्रीज होबो नै कि. सो दिस इज इन दिस वे. एटा होची थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट तमरो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन रहइबो एमदी होबो like that. So here also in this is like that in third quadrant. एटा होची तमरो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट रे cot नेगेटिव माने एमदी रहइबो. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे अगेन एटा होची फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट cot positive. So the graph of the cot x is like that. The graph of the cot x is like that. Okay, similarly you can draw the graph of sec x and cosec x. We draw any one. So before drawing the graph of sec x, first we draw the graph of cos x. After we draw the graph of cos x, next we draw the graph of sec x. Okay, so you know cos graph cosec x is the reciprocal of cos x. So you know cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 0, cos pi is a minus 1, cos 3 pi by 2 0 and cos 2 pi is 1. So this is the graph of cos x like that. This is the graph of cos x because in the first quadrant the value of cos x decreases. In second quadrant is also cos decreases, but in third quadrant and fourth quadrant the value of cos x increases. But in first quadrant the cos x is positive, so it lies in above the positive direction of y axis. Second third quadrant negative direction of y axis of cos टा fourth quadrant cos टा पुणे positive. Okay, so in this is the minus pi by 2 to 0, it is again also fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant the value of cos x is positive, so like that cos minus by minus 1, 3 pi by 2 0, 2 pi 1. So the graph of the cos x in this way. Okay, now so the graph of sec x देखो ये कौन होची sec टा होची reciprocal of cos x. So clearly this is the graph of cos x, graph of cos x. In sec 0 होची 1, sec 0 होची 1, but in 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, okay, the value of sec x in first quadrant is positive, second quadrant the value of sec x is negative. नाकि फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट सेकटा पॉजिटिव हम, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट आउ सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट सेकंड आउ थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट सेकटा नेगेटिव, जेहेतु नेगेटिव जो आर ग्राफटा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाई एक्सिस रहिबो, किंतु फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट द ग्राफ ऑफ सेक एक्स इन द पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाई एक्सिस. ओके, again also we say that in first quadrant the value of cos decreases and whereas the value of sec x in first quadrant increases. So due to this reason, and sec pi by 2 is infinite, sec pi by 2 is infinite, so the graph is like that in this way. Okay, in second quadrant the graph of cos x is also decreases, नाकि तो decrease हेले एटा हम increase हम, but sec pi by 2 तुमरो कौन होची infinite, but here the in second quadrant the value of sec x is negative, so the negative direction of y axis and sec pi is minus 1, so increase hobo graph टा ना कि एमती increase होबो. In third quadrant this is the second quadrant and this is the third quadrant sec टा कौन होची तुमरो ना नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन रहिबो, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन रहिबो y रो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन रहिला. In third quadrant the value of cos increases, एटा increase हेला एटा decrease होबो, एटा decrease हेला एटा increase हेला, एटा increase एटा decrease हेला है ना. But again in fourth quadrant 3 pi by 2, 2 pi is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant the value of sec is the positive direction of y axis ना कि किंतु फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट एटा कोन होची बढ़ुची, किंतु सेगडा निश्चित रूपे कमिबो, एटा एम दि आसियो पुणी आउथरे 3 pi by 2 to sorry 2 pi by 2, 2 pi 2 नेक्स्ट pi by 2 जदि आम ऐड करिया 5 pi by 2, सो 2 pi प्लस pi by 2 दिस इज 5 pi by 2 भितर एम दि आसियो ग्राफडा ना कि एम दि आसियो. देखो एटी कोन होची फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट सेकडा positive, so the graph is like that, but in fourth quadrant the value of sec increases but here decreases. Okay, so the graph of the function in this way, here also like that in this way. So the graph of the sec x, this is the totally graph of cos x and this is the graph of sec x. So similarly you can draw the graph of cosec x. Okay, so in the next class we do some other function and the problems. Thank you.